So one of the issues was this little fuel door release was broken. Very common. Pretty much every Audi in this era and a couple of years either side use the exact same fuel door release mechanism. I forget what it's exactly called. I literally just bought one on eBay. That's the part number you're looking for there, 4L086 blah 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 blah. Yeah, it was, I don't know, 20 bucks Australian. Like I said, they're all the same. The way to get into it, if you actually haven't got the fuel door open and it's not broken to that extent, there is the release in here. So that's just a flat blade screwdriver with a bit of masking tape on it. There we go. This is the fuel door release, emergency release that you can pull. That's the other end of this here. So it kind of clips into it. There's a clip that it clips into there. So anyway, the way to actually get this out is gracefully jam a screwdriver in between the body and that and pry it out. See how it's lifting out? I'll need 2 hands for this, and then you sort of like wedge it down and then pop. Literally the whole thing will just pop out like that. Easy as that. Put a bit of masking tape on a flat blade so you don't damage your paint. This paint's not that great. I haven't corrected it or done anything to it yet, but then you've essentially got this the whole thing literally just falls out. So then you will undo those 2 torques, put the new one on, and literally, oh, that connect, I just had it out before, that little connector goes into there. Excuse the finger. So yeah, it is literally that simple. It will take you all of about 5 minutes to do. I would recommend though, and I think I might have just lost it, tying a piece of string to this red bit so you can pull it back out where it needs to go. And like I said, I think I've just lost that, but we'll see how we go. So I've literally just swapped them over. Those 2 are T15s, unscrewed the old one, which you can see is completely broken and knackered, replaced the new one, and now it's in the unlocked position. So you should be able to just, when it's on the car, close, open, close, open, until that little wire locks the car, and then this won't activate like that. So now the issue that I have is now going to be pulling this, I guess, secondary release, manual release cable back through where it needs to go, because I kind of screwed it up before. It was perfect before I decided to video this. So anyway, we'll try and feed something through. Alright, that didn't suck so bad. I used my magnetic long reachy tool, taped a little bit of thing on the end of it, and managed to get this bit of wire through. So okay, that's cool. I'll reinstall that, tape this end to that end, pull it all through, and we should be all set. All right, so I've just finished installing it. I've pulled the wire through. I've got it here, so I can just finish that off in a sec. I've plugged it all in. Now I'm going to test it. So right now it's unlocked, so you can close it and you can open it as if the car's unlocked and you're ready to put fuel in. And now when I close it and I lock it, can't open it. When I unlock it, it works. Perfect. So we'll just unlock it again quickly. And what we'll do, we'll leave it open, we'll push it all back into place where it's supposed to go, all nice and snug. Okay. Beautiful. Test it once more, lock it. Can't open it. Unlock it. But you can open it. Beautiful.